Hello everyone, Mark here, and today I just want to do a quick return to home accuracy test with the Hubsan X4 Desire Pro H216A. So what we're going to do, we're going to quickly do a screen recording. Hopefully my app will work today. And then we're going to take the drone up and do a little bit of recording as well. So let's do some video recording. Okay, so let's take the drone up. Start the motors, take the drone up just like so. Now my screen recording makes the apps on my phone a bit glitchy, to be fair, so I need to do this test on iOS as well. But let's take it out. In fact, if it's too glitchy, I won't use the screen recording. I'll just take a few screenshots and just use the onboard drones recording. So let's take it out. We just want to do a quick return to home accuracy test. So if we take it up to around 20 meters. Okay, so what we're there, we are 31 meters, that'll do. And let's take it out, give it some distance. About 100 meter distance will do it, I think. Bit further. There we go. Okay, so we're nearly at 100 meters, so that'll do. So let's initiate return to home and see how well it does. Now, as long as it lands at around 2 meters from the helipad, I'll be happy with that. Doesn't need to land exactly where it take off. Return to home, in my opinion, is just to bring the drone back to your proximity. As soon as it's good enough for that, you can just take over yourself. But let's see how well it does. I reckon it'll land a couple of meters from the landing pad, so let's actually see. It's coming down. Looks quite a few meters off, that's for sure. Step back a little bit and see how close it gets. Nice slow descent, that's good. That's not too bad. That's not too bad at all, really, to be fair. Shut the motors down. Now that's a meter within the landing pad, so to me that's more than good enough. So yeah, that's just testing the accuracy on the return to home feature on the Hubsan X4 Desire Pro 216A. So that's it for me, guys. Do you get accuracy like that with your Hubsan 216A? Is it consistent? Let me know in the description below. So that's it for me, guys. Happy RCing. Take care. Bye bye.